We cannot have a world that is equal, that is at peace with itself, when one group of the society is actually on the margins of development, and particularly technological development, which is now driving everything. We believe that with Technovation's technical expertise and leveraging UNICEF's ability to be present on the ground, we are able to achieve a significant ambition of ensuring that we empower with technology and skills girls around the globe to the tune of 25 million. But that alone is not enough. We need partners who can contribute in kind for this partnership to go ahead. Companies can also provide us with mentors who can actually help to mentor these girls and support them so that the innovations they come with don't die. Finally, we need resources, financial resources. This is a groundbreaking partnership to form the AI Forward Alliance, and our target is a nation of empowered, equipped, capacitated, knowledgeable, and informed young people who are able to put their competencies into practice to be able to change the world.